Hey guys, just want to take a second and show you one of my demo kits here. This is a UR Robot size 3 Universal Robotics 6-axis single arm robot. It's got a shunt gripper on the end capable of picking up small loads about 1 pound or so. And I sell these and I thought about the Ag Mechanics program. With seeing so much of these in the industry, in food packaging and machine parts tending, I thought it'd be a good addition as a lab kit for your guys' Ag Mechanics programs. So what I want to do here is just kind of show repeatability here. And I'm going to hit the play button. And we're going to let this thing run. Now this guy's capable of picking up more than just plastic bottles. You could add all kinds of equipment to it to make it see with a vision system and know where the parts are and be more accurate. This was programmed within about 5 minutes or so, and I think your students would enjoy this. We have more advanced robots, but for a simple basic unit for this, for your guys' class, I think it'd be beneficial. I have the unit until about the 25th of January. If you'd like me to stop by with it at one of your guys' schools, I would love to come by and show it to you guys or show it to the kids. Or maybe if I get a few advisors together, we could meet maybe over at the pavilion. Anyway, guys, let me know. Thanks.